Hey guys, I'm gonna show you some parts that came in the mail today for my iPhone. Okay, first up is right here. The home button for my phone. Hang on, guys. The home button for my phone that is desperately in need of fix, and I will not be getting my phone fixed today. I will be getting it fixed another time when the glass assembly comes in, because the black one I have is cracked. Then the new glass assembly will be yellow. I'll make a video of it when it gets fixed on this camera. Okay. And oh yeah, and I'm going to show you the tools that are needed that came with this set. Okay, here we have this screwdriver right here. Where is it? Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, see, this is the screwdriver. Let me turn on the light. And excuse the noise, they're weed whacking out there. Okay. This is the screwdriver. I don't know what model, I don't know what size it is, but here it is, guys. Okay, here's the other screwdrivers. Then we have the case circle. This tool right here, which is a safe opener tool. Then we have this one. Where is it? Oh, this one for prying open the case. For prying open the case. Okay? So, hope you had a fun time. And these are all the parts. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.